It's Monday the 19th of December. It's coming up to 4:15 UK time. That's 11:15 New York time in the morning. So this morning I took a trade around the break of this structure just by here. So it's on the higher time frames, an area of supply on the 4 hour marked in red, and the fractal formed on this position here. So we had a small market maker buy model with this. You can see here there's a small break of structure and this rally, but then we have it going sideways, which is again an area of resistance, which forms a basing candles at the top. So we've got a swing, sorry, not a swing, well, we do have a swing point there. We have pin bars, bearish pin bars. There is a bullish order block just by here, and we have these candles here. So this is selling, this is aggressive buying, aggressive selling. It goes sideways, so we have some more upwards movement here, and I would say this is an order block. We do have a small fair value gap, so that is again more supply coming into the market, followed by these huge moves. So this area here, as we came out of the IDR, it formed a range for me. So I used the Fibonacci tool to mark the high to the low to get the 60% retracement, and you can see as it's coming above into the premium, we're starting to see bearish candles again. Pin bars here. We have another order block, and it just carries on going down. So I got into the market around this area just as it goes into 50%, and extracted 3 to 1. Coming into 9:30, sets up the RDR range and the IDR range here. So what do we have? We have again, it's a market maker buy model form as it comes back into the supply zone on the higher time frame. So this is the first, I would say, touch, if you want to say that, on the just drag this across a minute. So you can see just down by here the supply zone, and it was the first touch, and it did form this bearish pin bar. That's why it's marked out to supply that area, and you can see I did first touch, and that's what we had here. So it's definitely showing the fractal, I would say, and we had the declines, but you can see how in the IDI didn't go above into that space. It's come back down, it's broke it here. Now this is the market maker sell model, and we have 2 breaks of structure. So going upwards, we initially had the break of structure here. This would be the first phase of distribution, and then we have the second phase just by here, and we get these huge moves up and taking out the liquidity on the other side. So it's a quick setup. And just monitoring this now, just sitting back and watching it, we have the rally, basing candle rally, which forms demand. We have demand here, and we also have demand down here. And this is the liquidity on the other side now. So the market maker sell model went into action, and we have the first break of structure taking out the demand. And we get this so rally, so drop, base, drop. That's the setup for the retest now, and it actually creates this break of structure down here as well, with the taking out the remaining of the liquidity. So this becomes my range that I am marking, and it works absolutely bang on with the DI-IDR concept, because we're now going into retracement. I've set an entry at the top of this level. So this is the this area here is we have a fair value gap on this side, and then we have the opposite fair value gap on the other side. And this is the balanced price range. I mean, it's just coming into a rebalance now. So I can anticipate it go out to the order block, and we've got the expansion down to fair value gap. But this order block here is supply. It's true supply. So we should see it come up, touch it, and then it'll drop. And that's what I'm anticipating happening, just based on the study that I've been doing of different ideas, concepts, bringing them together. And I'm anticipating it to go down as a sell. So I've got a sell marked out, sell limit, at the high of this basing candle. And let's see what happens.